I'm Brennon Osborne. This is my 9th birthday. I got a new race car.
Alright, show us how it works.
It goes super fast. Make sure you keep up with it.
Holy mackerel. Oh!
Touchdown!
I think it has good range, because it does.
Oop.
Hello guys. Now while he's catching it, because of my Nerf gun. It says Nerf.
Oh, here it comes.
And he was going right now.
Oh my gosh.
What is it? Fast, isn't it?
Oh, put it up back. Put it back on the street.
Technical difficulties. Peace!
Peace.
Brennan, can we play our game?
Awesome! Oh, he's gonna make it. Now he's gonna try to make it hit us, okay?
Hopefully not. Hey.
Try to make it hit me. Wait, try to make it hit me.
Nah, hey, we're not gonna do that.
Make it hit me.
Stop.
Oh, I wanted to come down the hill.
It hit me.
I wanted to go down the hill. We could have gone to my house.
Prepare to be amazed.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Come on, Brennan, let's play our game.
Uh,
Look at the dirt tracks.
yeah.
Look at the dirt tracks.
Yeah.
Look, do it. Go.
Hey, guys. We're not doing that with a car. You'll tear it up.
Face.
Brennan, you don't hit people with your car. I put it away.
Okay, guys, leave it alone. Wait.
Brennan, why don't you let Andrew try it?
Okay.
Andrew, it's really fast. Don't give it full throttle.
That is gonna do a me by machine.
Hang on. We got a car coming. Stop the car. Stop it. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. All right, now straighten it up.
And reverse doesn't work again.
Fine. It never works. Dad, get it. Oh, okay. Dad, you got what you wanted, Carson. Dad, get me. Always try to get me. Always. Oh, I was going to do it. Dad, get me. I'm seriously, Dad, get me. Dad, get me.
Too bad this thing doesn't have. It's too bad this thing doesn't have settings. So you
Dad,
can
get
set it
me.
to fast.
Dad, get me. Dad, get me.
Carson,
Dad, get me.
don't you
Seriously, Dad,
go.
get me.
Carson, don't step on that car.
Dad, get me. Dad, you'll get me.
You like
Go.
that?
Don't let him get it.
Oh.
Hey, we're not going to do that. We're not going to chase it.
No, he just tripped me.
Brennon,
Yeah.
somebody's going to step on it and then you're going to be upset.
He just tripped me.
You're the one who's chasing it.
Alright, now it's my turn.
It's like a game of cat and mouse.
Alright, I'm the cat. He's the mouse.
Put me down.
Okay.
Put me down, human. I'm a cat.
No, it's the mouse.
Put me down.
Carson,
But how about he got scared and ran away? No, he ran away. Like fast. Like really, really fast.
Okay, that did not work.
Yay, dinner for lunch. Alright. Okay. We're in my cabin. Alright, sit down with me. Where's the sugar?
Dude, isn't it cool how they make it squid?
Yeah. Ooh. Hey, stop that. Get away.
Oh my gosh, it's actually working.
Okay, if you want your lunch so bad, why not get it your lunch?
No, let me go. I'm waiting my own.
car.
I'm like,
I will not let you go. Okay, now it's time to let you go. You have to stay in my cabin.
It's not how you play with it.
Carlson, Carl.
Car, Carson.
Make it run. Ah! You should make it run before you can pick it up.
Carlson really wants to call.
This is so funny to watch.
It's funny when it's in grass, isn't it? That's one little call. Wait.
Carson, please don't chase it. Andrew, don't encourage him to chase it. He's going to step on it, which he's already done,
Man!
and he'll break it, and then it'll be all over with. Carson, put the car down. Just watch the car run.
Okay.
Foot
Brennon, can we have these play on?
on my table.
Oh yeah. The little car watches you.
The little car watches you. No, you don't.
Well, you won't leave it alone.
Carson, let go of it.
Bit much.
Brennon, can we?
Okay, I will tell you this. It won't stop. It won't turn well when it's going fast.
Yeah, you got to slow down when you're trying to turn.